everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make wall art using the peel and stick wallpaper and a picture frame. Now this is the same stuff I made my headboard out of, and I have a lot left, so I want to try to make some art. So you're going to need this, the peel and stick wallpaper of your choice. If you want to change the design, that's fine, and a picture frame. Now this is what I like to call HGTV style art when they do rooms and stuff like that. That's my take on it, but you're going to love this. So first what you want to do is take your picture frame, flip it over, and there we go. This is a new picture frame that somebody had lent me, so that's why I'm using that. So you take this, open this up, get that out of the way. So what you want to do is roll it out a little bit, not a whole lot since this is not a big project. Take this, flip it over, go to the end here, like this. And the reason you want to go to the end is so that way you have that natural edge. So now what you want to do is take a pen or pencil, depending on what you have lying around. I happen to have a pen lying around. There we go. So now what you do is you trace out on the back of your peel and stick wallpaper. Now, do not take the backing off of the wallpaper for the sticky side, because you want to make sure that your picture frame is reusable, because this is a piece of cardboard, and what will happen is this stuff will stick to this, and what will happen is it'll be very, very difficult for you to get off. And essentially, I don't know if they sell the back separately or not, but don't take the chance of destroying this, because if you do that, you're going to take up a little bit of space, and when you try to put a picture in the picture frame, it'll be really tight and it'll wrinkle the picture. So now what you want to do is take some scissors, and you're going to want to cut along your line, actually a little before your line, and there's a reason for that. Because of the edge of the picture frame, it might bind up. So now you have your piece right here that looks just like this. Now what you want to do is take your picture frame, put this in there just like this. Now what you want to do is hold it up and see what it's going to look like. And as you can see, it's going to look like this. Now what you do is you take this, there we go, and now that the back is back on, there you go. Now you have some HGTV style art in a picture frame. So if you want to do some high-end stuff, you do stuff like this. Pretty cool, huh? So this is leftovers. So this is a small picture frame that somebody gave me. We got from another family member's house. They sold the house, so they gave us some blank picture frames. And this was the same stuff, like I said, that I use on my headboard. So this was $34. So I took care of two things for $34 as of right now. So And again, this is what it looks like. And there you have it. So anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.